So, hello boys and girls. Let me give you a quick update on the Hermann the German Beetle. Where I am at the moment. I'm having some problems with the door. Let me just spin this around. So, there's been a huge bodge up in the door here. I don't know what's been going on, but they've blobbed all sorts of bits of weld in there to try and correct the door where it sits in its aperture. So as you can see, I've been a busy boy. I've put this plate in, and we've done this sill. I've just finished it. We've done underside. So yeah. So I mean, it all needs a bit, a lot of cleaning up, and it's all looking a bit rough as a badger's bum at the moment. But I think I've made some good progress there. At least I've got some integrity back in it now. This is quite solid now. The old toe caps will prove that. Yeah, so I think that's a wrap for today, and I'll keep you updated now. Just before you do go, you got this door which I'm not sure whether I'm going to replace completely. I've got a door skin for it because there seems to be a lot of filler or something on it. I don't know, whether it's had a dent at some time. So I've got a door skin for it, but I don't know whether to just source a second-hand door. Anyway, what do you think? What should I do? Door skin or second-hand door? Yeah, and as I say, I've got this problem here. Probably going to need to put in a new post down there. Might have to cut some of that out again and start that. Oop. Yeah, oop, where am I? Yeah, I might have to start that area over, as they say. So, yep, there we go. There's Brutus. Brutus says hello. Okay. Ciao.